Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2003 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. If the differential voltage gain and the common mode voltage gain of a differential amplifier are 48 decibels and 2 decibels respectively, then common mode rejection ratio is CMRR, which is defined as CMRR is going to be defined as the ratio of differential mode gain to common mode gain, AD by AC. So AD implies nothing but this one is AD. AD is given as 48 decibels and AC is given as 2 decibels. That is, AD is given in decibels and AC is going to be given also in decibels. But here it is AD, AC are in general decimal values. So you cannot use this 48 decibels and 2 decibels directly for this equation. Okay, so you must represent this CMRR in decibels. Then only you can go for the you can use these two values. Okay, now you see CMRR is going to be ratio of differential voltage gain to common mode voltage gain. That is nothing but ratio of voltage gains. Okay, everywhere voltage gain or voltages or voltage gain can be represented as 20 log if you want to represent it with decimals, if you want to represent in decibels. Okay, and if it is power, at that time it has to be represented as 10 log. If you want to represent power or power gain in terms of decibels, by that time 10 log should be used. If you want to represent voltage or voltage gain, current or current gain, at that time you must use the 20 log. Remember this one. Okay, because whenever you are going for the power is nothing but you can write it as V square by R or I square by I square R. So this square is going to be considered as, and that makes this will become 10 log. Okay, so now CMRR is going to be defined as AD by AC. Since it is voltage gain, we are going for the CMRR in decibels. If you want to represent in decibels, at that time you must use 20 log for the normal CMRR. So I can write like this. That implies nothing but 20 log AD by AC, general equation. So from this one you can write it as 20 log AD minus 20 log AC. Okay, 20 log AD is nothing but you are representing AD in terms of decibels. Okay, and 20 log AC is nothing but AC in terms of decibels, because AD and AC are differential mode gain as well as common mode gain. So both are voltage gains, so that whenever you use 20 log you will get the equivalent decibel value. So AD decibels minus AC decibels. So CMRR in decibels is nothing but AD differential mode gain decibels minus common mode gain decibels. Now it has given AD in decibels as 48 and AC in decibels as 2. So 48 minus 2 is nothing but 46 dB. Common mode rejection ratio in terms of decibels is nothing but 46 decibels. So this is C. If you want to get normal CMRR value, at that time you must write it as, okay, CMRR in decibels is equal to 20 log CMRR. Okay, so CMRR is equal to, okay, 20. Here it will become 2.3. So this will become 10 power 2.3. This is what CMRR. Okay, so the right answer for this question is 46 decibels. Thank you.